So YouTube video is very familiar to us, but my video is kind of different. I am not going to portray videos in every minutes or every seconds. You need to listen to my information very properly and enjoy it. I guess you would like it and you will subscribe my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Aesthetic Flavors. I gave a little introduction in my previous video by giving some hints to make you identify that what can be the topic. So today I came up with the original video. I guess it would be very informative to you and to me because I researched about this topic so much. So today's topic which I'm going to discuss is what is a perfect life. Before starting my video and discussion about what is a perfect life, I would request see the video till end, and in the end you will find a very peaceful song playing. I would request from the beginning that at the end close your eyes and meditate for some times. This would relieve all your stress. Before we start, we must know what is the meaning of perfect life. In our life, nothing is perfect. Happiness is albeit. Well, it is something abstruse. Life is all about ups and downs. The perfect life is nothing but actually the moment you are cherishing with your loved ones and enjoying every bit of life and happening or spending time which we always expected. For a perfect life, we need to have certain things like doing whatever we love, being loved by whom we love, a good health, which is very necessary, a purpose in our life, and a contentment. If we follow these, we can surely receive a perfect life. Of course, not 100%, but we will get something which we always expected. As I already told that I did a research on this topic, so let us find out that what Quora says. Quora is a website. Here people give their opinion. Nataraj Upadhyaya, M.Tech from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, 1987, says that we all know that the concept of perfect is more ideal than real, and we use the term for increased alignment towards this ideal. By perfect life, we therefore mean the most optimal life we deserve and mind it. Even the most optimal life we deserve can be far from being perfect. So now, when we rephrase the question, what is the most optimal way of living, we need to understand what is living. Living is primarily in the space-time continuum with our being in an environmental context. Optimal living in the space-time continuum is already figured out. It is best explained as living here and now. Basically, doing the best justice to the fleeting moment of now with full presence and not getting jailed by the aspects of past and present through the monkey of the mind. It's a very big article, so I'll attach the link at the end of the video. Don't forget to go and read his view once. By researching about this topic, I also found a poem which really relates with it. I believe every poem is perfect by William L. Morris. Every poem is perfect until someone reads it. Every ocean is complete until a stranger wades into it. Every arts council is beautiful until it gives out money. Every day is unknown until it begins. Every person is interesting until he speaks. Every profile is alluring till it turns. Every storm is endless till it passes. Every door is open till it slams. Every weed is pretty till it grows. Every job is hard before it begins. Every meal is needed till it's over. Every day is boring till the night begins. Every girl is clever till she laughs at you. Every dog is faithful till he growls. Every parent loves you till you threaten never to leave. Everything can be understood except in single instances. Every task is easy unless it's yours. Every unknown life is interesting. Every face is wandering but one. After all this discussion, we came to a topic that is there such a thing as a perfect life? No, there is no such thing as a perfect life. And you don't feel that way. Sure, you have moments of happiness and you may be content much of the time. But geez, your life isn't filled with continual bliss like those people's lives up here. We are never happy with something we have. We always want more. We never want less. So after discussing, I believe that there is no such thing called perfect life. Of course, we can cherish every moment of our life with our loved ones and what we love to do. But craving for perfect life is impossible and getting it is more impossible. Let me share an incident with you. Yesterday, when I was thinking of topics, I found this. We had a special assembly in our online school. Many of them suggested some topics, but the best topic was what is a perfect life? I don't know why that felt so interesting to me. It can be the title is very catchy, or it can happen it relates with me. It can happen anything. This also proves that nothing is perfect or nor my life is perfect. The incident I was talking about is yesterday I saw a girl posting and editing some quotes written by my friends. So I decided to make up quotes and edit. So I found a quote which I thought, I don't know that quote exists or not, but the quote was, if you think that your success is sure, then success is surer than you. I guess this works and I guess this quote is true. To lead a perfect life, the purpose of our life is to know ourselves, love ourselves, trust ourselves, and be ourselves. If we follow these, we must lead a perfect life. Now as we have already came at the end of the video, I would share some of my very favorite quotes on this topic that is perfect life. Now my first favorite quote is I don't want a perfect life, I want a happy life. This is great. My second quote which I am very obsessed with is Nobody has a perfect life. Everyone has their own problem. Some people just know how to deal with it in a perfect way. By Nishant Kumar. It's great. For me, it's great and it relates so much with so many peoples. And my third favorite quote is, I don't need a perfect life. I just want to be happy, surrounded by my good friends who love me for who I am. This is great. Last but not the least, from this we conclude, we were born to be real, not to be perfect. So as we have already finished our video and you have got more or less a brief idea about what is the existence of perfect life, I would surely tell you to think about this and let me know. And also, in the next slide, as I promised, I'm going to give you a small music on which you can meditate and think about not being perfect but to be real and how to do things in a perfect way. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, and if you dislike or like, click the dislike or like button. Oh, I forgot about the lyrics I gave in my introductory video. Everybody should know. Yeah, the lyrics was Perfect by Ed Sheeran.